Imagine a world where your watch doesn't just tell time, it monitors your health, helps you navigate, and even acts as your assistant. Now, stretch that thought further. What if your body itself became the interface, with implants that could track your vitals, unlock your home, or even communicate silently with devices around you? This is the future of wearable technology. Let's take a deep dive into how we got here, the breakthroughs shaping wearables today, and the exciting, yet controversial, world of biometric implants. The birth of wearable technology. The idea of wearable technology isn't new. It goes back to the 17th century with the invention of pocket watches. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we got the first digital watch in 1972, the Pulsar, made by Hamilton Watch Company. But the real game changer came in the 2010s with the introduction of smartwatches like the Apple Watch and fitness trackers like Fitbit. These devices didn't just tell time, they became fitness assistants, health monitors, and even mini smartphones on your wrist. Wearables have grown rapidly, integrating features like GPS, heart rate monitors, and voice assistants. Today, they are indispensable for millions of people, merging convenience with cutting-edge tech. How wearables are revolutionizing health. One of the most impactful areas for wearable technology is healthcare. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers have gone beyond step counting. They can monitor heart rate variability, detect irregular rhythms like atrial fibrillation, and even measure blood oxygen levels. During the COVID-19 pandemic, wearables became even more important, with some companies developing sensors to monitor temperature changes and symptoms remotely. Startups and tech giants alike are now exploring devices that can monitor glucose levels for diabetics without invasive finger pricks, or predict seizures for those with epilepsy. Imagine a future where wearables help you detect illnesses before you feel the symptoms. That's not science fiction, it's happening now. Smart glasses and AR integration. Another key area in wearables is augmented reality, AR. While Google Glass might have struggled to find its footing, companies like Meta, Microsoft, and Apple are pushing boundaries. AR glasses now promise to overlay virtual information onto the real world, assisting in everything from surgeries to factory work to gaming. Think about being able to follow directions while walking without looking at your phone, or having real-time translations appear in front of you when you travel abroad. These applications are set to transform how we interact with the world around us. Beyond the wrist, wearable sensors everywhere today, wearables aren't limited to watches or glasses. We're seeing wearable sensors being integrated into clothing, shoes, and even jewelry. For example, there are smart rings that track sleep and fitness data, and smart insoles that analyze running techniques for athletes. In the world of sports, wearables have become critical tools for improving performance. Athletes use devices to measure biomechanics, hydration levels, and recovery times. These innovations are being embraced across industries, from fitness to workplace safety. The biometric implant revolution. Now, let's venture into the controversial frontier of wearables, biometric implants. Imagine having a small chip implanted under your skin that can unlock doors, make payments, or even store your medical history. While this technology exists, it's still in its infancy. Sweden has been a hub for experimenting with microchip implants, where people use them to replace keys and access cards. In healthcare, bioimplants could revolutionize patient care by providing continuous data on blood sugar, heart rhythms, or oxygen levels. However, implants raise ethical questions. Who controls this data? What happens if the technology is hacked? While the potential is enormous, these questions need answers before implants can go mainstream. Challenges and concerns. As exciting as the future of wearables is, it comes with challenges. Privacy is a major concern. Wearables collect vast amounts of personal data. Who owns this data, and how secure is it? Battery life and affordability are other hurdles. Many wearable devices require frequent charging, and cutting-edge tech often comes with a high price tag, limiting accessibility. Lastly, we can't ignore societal concerns. Biometric implants, in particular, challenge our notions of privacy, autonomy, and even humanity. The journey from simple wristwatches to sophisticated biometric implants is a testament to human innovation. Wearable technology is reshaping how we interact with our bodies, our environment, and even each other. From helping us stay fit to providing life-saving medical data, wearables are becoming extensions of ourselves. As we look ahead, the line between technology and biology will continue to blur. The question isn't if wearable technology will transform our lives, it's how far we're willing to go. If you enjoyed exploring the future of wearable technology, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.